30 days ago, I handed almost every task in my workday to Claude AI. Emails, research, writing, planning, client work, all of it. What happened over the next 30 days was not what I expected, and the results changed how I think about working forever. Let me be clear about what this experiment was not. It was not about replacing human thinking. It was not about being lazy. It was about finding out exactly how much of a standard workday is low-value, repetitive work that an AI can handle better and faster than a human. The answer was uncomfortable. On day one, I tracked every task I did across an 8-hour workday. Writing emails took 47 minutes. Summarizing documents and research took 1 hour 20 minutes. Formatting reports took 35 minutes. Scheduling and planning took 40 minutes. That is over 3 hours of my 8-hour day spent on tasks that require zero original thinking. I handed all of it to Claude. Here is the exact prompt I use for emails. You are my professional email assistant. I will give you a brief description of what I need to communicate. Write a clear professional email in my tone. Direct, no fluff, under 150 words unless the situation requires more. Here is what I need to say. Your brief description. That single prompt saved me 40 minutes on day one alone. But the email prompt was the least impressive thing I found. By week 2, I had built a system that most people using AI tools have never thought to try. And it is completely free. Week 2 is where the experiment got serious. I started using Claude as a second brain for every decision I had to make at work. Not to make the decision for me, to pressure test my thinking before I committed to anything. The prompt I used, I'm about to make this decision. Give me the 3 strongest arguments against it, then give me the 3 strongest arguments for it. Do not tell me what to do. Just give me both sides clearly, according to a 2024 study by MIT Sloan Management Review. Professionals who used AI to stress test decisions before acting reported a 34% reduction in costly mistakes over a 6-month period. That number surprised me when I found it. It should not have. By day 15, I had also figured out the research system. Most people use AI for research completely wrong. They ask it a question and take the answer at face value. That is not how you use it. The right way. Give Claude a topic. Ask it to summarize what is known, what is debated, and what is unknown. Then ask it to give you the 3 most interesting angles nobody is talking about. That last part is where original thinking comes from. By day 25, I had cut my working hours from 8 to 5, and my output had gone up. But the most valuable thing I discovered was not a prompt. It was a system. And it cost nothing to copy. Here is the full system I use now. I call it the 3-layer stack. Layer 1, morning brain dump. Every morning I spend 5 minutes typing everything on my mind into Claude. Tasks, worries, ideas, priorities. Then I use this prompt. Read everything above. Give me my top 3 priorities for today, based on impact. Give me the one thing I should not do today because it is low value. And flag anything I mention that sounds like a problem I should deal with now, rather than later. That replaces a 30-minute morning planning session. Layer 2, active work assistant. Every document I write, every report, every proposal goes through Claude before it leaves my desk. Not for spelling, for clarity. The prompt, read this and tell me what is unclear, what is missing, and what would make this more convincing to the person reading it. Layer 3, end of day debrief. 5 minutes at the end of every day I paste in what I did and ask, what patterns do you notice in how I spent my time today? What should I do more of, and what should I stop doing? Over 30 days, that debrief alone changed 3 habits that were costing me hours every week. McKinsey estimated in their 2024 AI productivity report that knowledge workers who actively integrate AI tools into daily workflows increase effective output by 40% within 90 days. I hit that number in 30. Here is everything you can copy right now. Email prompt. You are my professional email assistant. Write a clear email in my tone, under 150 words based on this brief. Decision prompt. Give me the 3 strongest arguments for and against this decision. Research prompt. Summarize what is known, debated, and unknown about this topic. Then give me 3 angles nobody is asking. Morning prompt. Read my brain dump and give me my top 3 priorities. One thing to avoid, and any problems I should deal with now. Review prompt. What is unclear, missing, or unconvincing in this document? Debrief prompt. What patterns do you notice in how I spent my time today, and what should I change? That is the full 3-layer stack. Free. Available right now. All it takes is 30 days of actually using it. If you want more systems like this every week, subscribe. New video drops every week.